We can use the automatic selection feature in Camera Raw to make all the changes we want directly to this landscape. We'll start by going into the Camera Raw filter. In the Mask section, we can choose Landscape, and Photoshop now goes through and identifies the sky, the architecture, and the vegetation. And we can make a mask for each of these, or we can make a mask for all of them. Let's start with the vegetation. This overlay appears to show it's selected. We can click to hide that overlay. I want to make it less autumnal, so let's go to the Hue section, drag the hue to the right, and let's also lower the saturation. Click on Architecture, let's hide the overlay again, and I want to warm this up by adjusting the colour temperature. We'll drag it to the right to make it warmer, and let's also have a look at the shadows and boost them to brighten them up. I will increase the contrast slightly. And finally, let's take a look at the sky. I'll hide the overlay, and I don't like the way it goes so pale towards the bottom. So I'm going to lower the exposure and increase the saturation. That's looking too strong at the top, so let's subtract using a linear gradient, and as we drag down, holding the Shift key to keep it vertical, we hide the effect at the top. We can press the P key to show the original. Here's how it was, and here's the result of our adjustments. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel.